Hello everyone, this is Anayat Mir with a very important video. A lot of demand of this video was received. Windows Server 2012 R2 Failover Clustering. So my focus will be SQL Server Failover Clustering. I have put together a lot of information, a lot of documentation. This is a very high level overview and I will show you live hands-on demo for this all setup. So what I have done offline, actually I have prepared my DC, which is dc3.ny1.com. This will act as a target. So this will act as a iSCSI target server, main server where I am actually holding my storage. So my clients, I am setting up 3 node cluster, node 1, node 2 and node 3. You will see that one. So offline I built those 3 servers. 2 of them I have joined to this domain ny1.com. Third one I will join right in front of you with my live demo. This is MS7. MS is a member server. That's how I name these servers. This server belongs to ny1.com domain. This is MS8, member server 8, which will be a member server. I did not join this server to domain yet, but this is a very simple procedure. You have to know the domain name, a username and the password, who has permission to join the domain. So let's use administrator account. So I am going to log in as an administrator to join this domain, and this is a last one which I am going to make a member of my domain. So as I have done a lot of my previous videos where I have demonstrated how to set up virtual machines. If you did not have those videos as of now, or if you did not watch those videos, please search those one where I did hypver setup or virtual server setup from scratch, including adding a hypver on a physical server and putting up virtual machine on that physical server. So these are the updates I am performing. Each server approximately will take from 3 to 4 hours actually, as I have shown this in these slides, because I put together these few slides to give you some idea that how long each server takes for a complete provision, which includes approximately 100 plus updates. So that's what I have done so far as an offline. I did update my servers, and I believe I have added up service packs as well. If I did not, I will check it out and I will add those one, but that is not a current requirement or current focus at this time. I have just showed you that these are few screenshots which I put in my PowerPoint slides, that how I did these all servers or how I did these all updates on these all servers. Every single server is a brand new virtual server. Again, the overview I put together in a Word document, and in this Word document plus in this demo or these slides which I just showed you that. So here my DC3 will act as a domain controller, DNS server, iSCSI target, like as a SAN server where I have my storage. Subnet mask and IP address is given to you here as a sequence. I am using a default gateway because I am going to use an IP internet also. I really need that internet. Member servers are MS6, MS7 and MS8. So here you have the IP address. MS6 is a node 1, MS7 is a node 2 and MS8 is a node 3 with IP address 192.168.1.15, 1.16, and 1.17. I'm still having my other updates in process. Going back to my MS8 server, now you see this server is a domain member with IP address 192.168.1.17. So very simple, you have in front of you all setup. Preferred DNS for all servers will be the DNS IP address what I have on my domain, because my domain has a DNS server installed which is a part of Active Directory. So simply I have two network cards. One I'm using for private, one I'm using for public. The one I'm using with public has an IP address with 192.168.1.0 network, but I'm using 1.10 IP as a preferred DNS. Preferred DNS is same for every single server. Some other setups, my cluster name, when I will set up Failover cluster, I will give my cluster a name and IP address. My cluster IP address will be 192.168.1.90. My MSDTC IP will be 192.168.1.91. As I said before, that this will be all live demonstration on my virtual servers. I am explaining this what we need actually as a prerequisites, and if you have some basic knowledge of building servers or adding virtual servers, you simply can go ahead and do this all prerequisites to save you a lot of time. So I did not feel that at this moment I should show you all from scratch. So I have saved me and I have saved you a lot of time for videotaping all of that, because I have done this previously in a lot of videos. So you will see all prerequisites, what we need to install on each server, what we need to configure, what we need from our add and remove roles and features. And here you're going to install iSCSI target on DC3, which is my separate server which is running Active Directory. I will create 5 virtual hard disks as of now, and this is my collation for SQL Server while install for SQL Server, SQL Server data, SQL Server log, analysis service, integration services, and MSDTC. All of those names will be for my drive names. Here I put my IP address as well, but I will come back to the screen. Here I am putting almost everything which I'm going to use throughout this video series. So this is an introductory video where I am going to show you exactly what we are going to perform, how we go through these all videos. So get you comfortable, read this all information, pause the video, scroll down, scroll up, look at that what you need to provision, what are the equipments what we need in this very important video series, because failover cluster is almost everywhere in every organization where you have a Windows shop. As you can see, still updates are in progress. As you know that these updates are very time consuming, so you will take a time, relax, no rush, just let's go overview. Have this document available. If you do not have this document, I will put in a somehow in my FTP server, or I will set up a link on that one. But I think that it's very simple to browse, pause the video, scroll up, scroll down. All you need to know that how to build these all servers, make them ready, set up the IP scheme, and make a plan for the node 1, for the node 2, for the node 3. Set up IP based on your available IP scheme, because I don't know what IP scheme you have at your home, or go into your own router, fix your router, set up configuration of your router, use that router for the public IP address, and then set up one private IP address. I am also putting some details about MSDTC, which is an acronym for Microsoft Distributed Transaction Coordinator. Also, you will see here installation requirements include disabling firewall, adding a .NET framework, adding a cadmin or cluster admin account, installing iSCSI target on DC3, then configuring those all other 3 nodes or clients to receive that IP address through iSCSI initiator. iSCSI initiator is something that which is available for everybody. You do not have to do anything except clicking on yes when you go first time and use iSCSI initiator. I will perform all steps. This is a setup information from scratch, what we need to do, what I am going to do. So I would consider this is a very important page, or this document is a very important document for those who are going to start setting up a cluster. I will see you in my next video where we are going to do a real hands-on, but you have to be focused, as I will be focused and I spend a lot of time. You're gonna do with me. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.